Penguins can't fly in the air, but they do fly underwater at 15 miles per hour using their wing-like flippers. Number 4. Some birds lay eggs bigger than their own head. The kiwi bird lays an egg that's 20% of its body weight. That's the biggest egg-to-body ratio of any animal on the planet. Number 5. Flamingos sleep standing on one leg. Flamingos sleep on one leg to conserve body heat and reduce muscle fatigue. And no, they don't fall over. They're actually really good at it. Follow for more fun facts.